I gotta get this set up on a better platform for y'all to see, but that Amazon 3D feature on products, y'all use it. This is perfect. It is, I mean, y'all about to see, it fits perfectly into that spot. And I use the Amazon 3D scan on several different occasions, but I'll show y'all one of the last ones I did just to get the measurements, what I mean. But use the 3D scan for furniture, y'all, please. If you are wanting to know if a piece of furniture fits in your room, you can use the Amazon 3D scan and measure that piece and measure the spot, or just place it there. Together, it does perfectly fit, but I need to scoot my bed over just a little bit to get it in there. Then I'm gonna scoot my bed back this way. And yeah, then I guess I'll assemble my skincare and stuff because I'm really excited about this. This is it, guys, and I absolutely love it. 3 USB, 2 regular plugs. I love this, y'all. just want to show y'all how accurate that Amazon thing is. This is where my bed was, and this is like literally, it's perfect. It just gotta be pushed back where it was. I'm delighted.